Hello everybody, and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and realize you are creative abundance. If you live long enough and wide enough, you come to see that love is simply the breadth of the aperture through which you let in the reality of another, and the quality of attention you pay what you see. It is in this sense not a phenomenon that happens unto you, but a creative act. It is love. It is in this sense not a phenomenon that happens unto you, but a creative act. This is a beautiful idea I read just last week by the writer Maria Popova. Love is not a phenomenon, not something miraculous necessary, but is something we create, a creative act. It's not something that just appears, though I wouldn't rule out grace, but love is something we choose. If we live wide enough, open enough, we open this aperture she talks about. And what is this aperture she is talking about? I think it's the lens of our perception. And the wider we can make this lens, the more open, then the fewer biases and judgments and restrictions we have. Or I might say the fewer misconceptions we are seeing through. The lens is so open that it's not covered with all of these misperceptions, our own judgments, our own restrictions, our own biases. We're not only cleaning them off of the lens, we are holding this lens so open that we are in contact with the reality of the world, with a reality of the world, of another person. And we see that that other person is, and the world as well, is not just simply like us, but is us, and we are one. Writing is such an amazing tool for helping us widen that aperture, to see through, see out from ourselves to the world, to others, to hold ourselves open, creatively create ourselves open so that we can view the world. It is a way of contacting the world without as well as the world within. The creative act is built of choices. We choose which words to include, which to exclude. We choose where to put paint on a canvas and where to withhold it. In music, we choose when to sing or play a note and when to have silence and give a pause. There is creative choice, and there is also creative choice in life. Life is thereby a creation. Our creation. You only have to love your little corner of the world, Stephen Cope writes in The Great Work of Your Life, a wonderful book of his about creativity and about creating our lives. You only have to love your little corner of the world, but you have to do it intentionally, he says. You have to do it intentionally. It goes back to that creative act, love being a creative act. So dare it, write it, devote yourself, the quality with which you live, the width and breadth of your living, your undivided attention, devote it to creating what you love, to creating the life that you love. This is the practice. Hold open in love. Open the aperture of yourself in love. And there, love is created. So, today, can you love in your writing? Can you love something in your writing? Yourself, another, the world, the snow falling outside, the dog at your feet, the sounds of the birds, the sounds of a chainsaw in the woods, whatever it is. Can you love something in your writing today? Can you feel open? That is the practice. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and also please subscribe. I would love that. I'd love to see you again here. I'd love to offer you more tips, more advice as you cultivate your daily writing practice. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you write deeply today. I know that if you do write, you will write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are. Blessings.